started again.
No. Oh, I'm not going to take a picture either now.
Oh, cheat me. What you gotta do, look, you must never touch that glass bit, because if you touch it, what happens is you put your fingerprints all over it, and then when you try and look at the film, it don't come out. It's all smeary.
I can see it still.
Yeah, no, you can't tell. It's only when you put it on the computer or try and watch it, then it gets all...
I can't see it. Now, silly bombs. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Ow! My foot. Stinky. Dad, I'm trying to video. I need to... There. Tell me what... Dad, tell me where we are then.
Where are we?
Yeah.
Two-Baggy Lake.
Pardon?
Two-Baggy Lake, aren't we?
Two-Baggy Lake.
You're touching the lens again.
Oh, not again.
It'll be all smudgy.
And Dad, watch this, it's funny. Dad, do it again. Again. Like that. Silly. Let's go to the park, Dad.
Come on then, bring us over the camera. No, just bring the whole thing. Bring the whole thing over. Go to that, just snap it. Bring the whole thing over, James.